Hello students, I'm KN Sharma teaching you social science. In history portion, we are studying chapter number 4, the age of industrialization. Students, yesterday we discussed about the Manchester who never recaptured its old position in the Indian market after the war. Today we will discuss about also British market. It means Manchester, and there are so many. How they spread their goods in India. What steps were taken by the industrialists of Britain for expanding their goods in India. Students, industrialists of Britain took the help of advertisement for expanding their products in India. And you know very well, advertisements make products appear desirable and necessary. When you look some advertisements in TV or radio, you attract from these advertisements and try to buy all these things. You know, students, there are so many celebrities but perform the advertisements, and you know that all these things are very truly reliant and quality is fine, so you buy all these things. And they put they put means industrialists of Britain put labels on the cloth products. When buyers saw made in Manchester written in bold on a label, they would feel confident about buying the cloth. Students, reputation of Manchester was so strong that all over the world every man was so confident for buying these products. So buyers bought all these things, closing their eyes, and sometimes the image of Indian gods, goddesses, example Krishna, Saraswati, were used in these labels. Students, you know that some holy things, sacred things like agarbatti, candle, dhoop in all these things you look the pictures, image of God and Goddess. So you buy all these things with great faith in God and buy all these things. Besides of the image of gods, sometimes figures of important persons Emperors, Nawabs were used in advertisements and calendars. Students, sometimes these industries use the image of Nawabs. It means for drinking tea or wine, they use the image of Nawabs. Means Nawabs were drinking tea and coffee and wine, so it was very tasty, reliable, delicious. So, for food products, drinking items, they used some celebrities. You know, at this time, celebrities like Salman Khan and many other are using advertisement of Coca Cola, Thumbs Up, and etc. So, these ideas were taken during the British colonial government and by the industrialists. I hope you will have understood, students. And this is the end of your lesson. We will meet again with a new chapter. Okay, thank you, students.